Capture your memories, the power of photos. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and useful phrase that you might hear often, especially when you're traveling, attending events, or enjoying special moments with your friends and family. The phrase is, take lots of photos. Understanding this simple yet powerful statement can enhance your English learning journey, as well as your experiences in capturing life's precious moments. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's so important. Take lots of photos is a phrase that encourages someone to capture many photographs of a particular moment, scene, or event. It's comprised of three key components. Take. In this context, take means to capture or shoot a photo using a camera or smartphone. Lots of. This part signifies a large quantity or number. It suggests that one should not be satisfied with just one or two pictures. Photos, short for photographs. This refers to the images captured with a camera. When put together, the phrase is an encouragement to capture as many moments as possible through photography. Taking lots of photos serves several important purposes. 1. Memory preservation. Photos serve as a tangible memory of experiences, places, and people. 2. Sharing with others. Photographs can be shared with friends and family, helping to connect with others and share experiences. 3. Creative expression. Photography allows individuals to express themselves creatively, capturing scenes in unique and personal ways. This phrase often implies that the moment is special and worth remembering, suggesting that one should seize the opportunity to document it thoroughly. You can use take lots of photos in various scenarios. Before someone goes on a trip, have a great time and take lots of photos. At a wedding or family gathering, don't forget to take lots of photos of everyone. When someone is experiencing something new, this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Make sure to take lots of photos. It's a versatile phrase that fits many situations where memories are made. Take lots of photos is more than just advice. It's a reminder to cherish and document the moments that matter most. Whether you're a language learner looking to expand your English vocabulary or someone who loves capturing life's moments, this phrase holds a special meaning. We hope this video has not only helped you understand the phrase better but also inspired you to capture your own memories. Keep exploring, keep learning, and of course, take lots of photos along the way. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.